Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best gym mix blender is probably one of the most convenient and efficient tools for fitness enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your wellness journey, a reliable blender can be a game changer. It allows you to quickly prepare protein shakes, smoothies, and other nutritious drinks, making it easier to fuel your body before or after workouts. This review will dive deep into the features, performance, and overall value of this blender. Number 5. Ninja Fit Personal Blender QB3001SS. This personal blender has a 700-watt motor base. It can power through everything in the cup. You can use it to make smoothies, shakes, and more. It unlocks hidden vitamins and nutrients from fruits and veggies. You can extract a nutritious drink with this portable blender. It blends even the parts you usually discard. This blender crushes ice and pulverizes frozen ingredients. You can make resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, and shakes. It replaces juicer machines and ice crushers. It's so compact that it fits on any countertop. With easy-to-use controls, it's the go-to personal blender. You can make shakes and smoothies with ease. Blend directly in the 16-ounce single-serve cup. Attach the spout lid, and enjoy your creations on the go. This portable blender is designed for your convenience. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. This personal blender is designed to fit your lifestyle and your kitchen. It offers added convenience and peace of mind. It includes a 50-recipe inspiration guide. You can get started with easy-to-prepare ideas for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks. It helps you explore various recipes. What we like. This blender boasts a powerful motor, perfect for crushing ice and blending frozen ingredients. It also comes with on-the-go cups, making it super convenient. If you're always in a rush and love smoothies, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The blender is very easy to use. It is easy to clean. The blender is perfect for making protein shakes. Number 4. BlenderBottle SportMixer Shaker Bottle, 20-ounce, Plum. This bottle is perfect for your protein shakes and pre-workout drinks. It helps you mix your drinks easily and quickly, making it a great choice for your fitness routine. The fold-away loop makes it easy to carry around. You can easily take it with you to the gym or on the go, and it won't take up much space. It's made of durable, stain-resistant plastic. This means it can withstand daily use and won't retain any unwanted odors. The twist-on cap seals tightly with a simple quarter turn. This design ensures that the bottle is leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about spills. The bottle comes with a leak-proof guarantee. Tighten the screw-on lid and secure the twist cap, and you're all set to go without any worries. What we like. This shaker bottle is designed with a leak-proof guarantee, so you don't have to worry about spills. It also features a convenient fold-away carry loop for easy portability. If you are looking for a simple, reliable shaker bottle for your protein shakes, you should consider this one. What people say. Textured grip feature works very well and allows bottle to be more comfortably and easily held. Twist cap is easy to open and close. It's not a snap-on cap, it twists to open and close. No leaking. Using a powder mix with milk, all ingredients blend very well, even without using the blender ball. Number 3. VELOMIX 28-ounce protein shaker bottles, 2-pack. Tired of messy spills? This bottle is meticulously designed to ensure every drop stays inside. It's the ideal gym companion for both men and women. Experience top-tier craftsmanship without the hefty price tag. This shaker bottle pack offers premium quality at a smart price point. Designed for those always on the move, a quick rinse is all it takes. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your protein shakes. Crafted for active lifestyles, this shaker is built to withstand workouts and daily routines. You can trust its reliability, day in and day out. Explore a spectrum of colors and sizes to match your style. Whether you're at the gym or in the office, this shaker bottle pack has you covered. What we like. These shaker bottles are guaranteed leak-proof, ensuring no messy spills. They are also designed to be easy to clean, saving you time and effort. If you are an active person who needs a reliable and easy-to-clean shaker bottle, this is a great option. What people say. The blender is very easy to use. It's a great blender for making smoothies and protein shakes. The blender is easy to clean. Number 2. VELOMIX 20-ounce protein shaker bottles, 2-pack. Tired of messy spills? This bottle is meticulously designed to ensure every drop stays inside. It's the ideal gym companion for both men and women. Experience unmatched craftsmanship without the hefty price tag. This shaker bottle pack offers top-tier quality for your protein mixes. Designed for those always on the move, a quick rinse is all it takes to get it ready for the next use. Spend more time enjoying your drink and less time scrubbing. Crafted for active lifestyles and everyday hustlers, this shaker is built to withstand your workouts and daily routines. You can always trust its reliability. Explore a spectrum of colors and sizes to match your style. Whether you're at the gym or in the office, this shaker bottle has you covered. What we like. These shaker bottles are guaranteed leak-proof, ensuring no messy spills. They are also designed to be easy to clean, saving you time and effort. If you are an active person who needs a reliable and easy-to-clean shaker bottle, this is a great option. What people say. The blender is very easy to use. It is easy to clean. The blender is perfect for making smoothies. Number 1. VELOMIX 28-ounce protein shaker bottles, silver mix. Tired of messy spills? This bottle is designed to be fully leak-proof with a secure twist lid. It seals tightly, so you can shake it vigorously or even carry it upside down without any worries. Experience top-notch quality without breaking the bank. Made from BPA and BPS-free materials, this shaker is safe, durable, and ensures smooth, lump-free shakes every single time. Cleaning is a breeze with this design. It's dishwasher safe on the top rack, or you can simply rinse it with warm water and soap. The removable stainless steel whisk ball is also dishwasher safe. This bottle is crafted for your active lifestyle. It's highly durable, impact resistant, and can handle liquids from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit without any issues. It's designed to maintain its color and strength over time. Explore a range of colors and sizes. Whether you're at the gym or the office, this shaker has you covered. It includes a removable whisk ball and features easy-to-read measurement markings that won't fade. This bottle handles everything from protein shakes to cold drinks and overnight oats. It's perfect for mixing protein powder, pre-workouts, and powdered peanut butter. However, it's not recommended for very hot liquids. Designed for comfort and convenience, it features an easy flip lid that seals tightly. Lightweight and ergonomic, it fits comfortably in your hand or bag, making it perfect for the gym, work, or travel. What we like. These shaker bottles are guaranteed leak-proof, ensuring no messy spills. They are versatile and can handle everything from protein shakes to cold drinks. If you are looking for a shaker bottle that can handle a variety of mixes, you should definitely consider this. What people say. The blender is very easy to use. It is easy to clean. The blender is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.